Maybe it doesn't work. Looks like it's not done yet. The Nikkei is still dropping. Gonna exit at 0. Oh shit, I just see I entered the wrong pair. I bought AUDUSD instead of AUDJPY.
Oh, okay.
I better get out of that one. Quick look at the dollar, yeah, it's keep going up. I'm getting up.
I think so. That's my belief. Mainly because it seems so hard to find a target of where the dollar's going to go next. We've got people scrabbling for going up higher time frames, like I did. 4 hours, can't see anything on the side of the chart. Daily, zoom right out, then you can see some levels. Running 97.51 as a previous high is the closest kind of target.
Actually, the AUDUSD doesn't look so bad. Looks like the Nikkei is still dropping. I'll give it a little bit of time. Yeah, Aussie yen has a little bit to go. Wrong button. Aussie yen has a little bit to go.
It's freaking
about 32. And the Nikkei is still dropping. I think my counter trade was not a good idea.
All I can tell you is I'm thinking about the dollar index and not retracing and pushing up further.
Yeah, and the Nikkei is still dropping, but it's at the resistance line right now. My trade probably failed.
the VWAP wap wap, the VWAP wap.
It says buy it, but the Nikkei is still dropping, so this can go bad.
Yeah, that dollar Swiss franc is failing miserably. That's not going to trigger. So I'm going to go on and take this pound Aussie long though.
Dollar Swiss?
I'm sorry?
Dollar Swiss, you said?
Yeah, dollar Swiss. It looked like it was going to go on and trigger for a long, but now that bar is failing.
Yeah, it's the dollar is pulling back.
Can't fool me.
My counter trade wasn't such a bad idea after all, but I exited already because I clicked the button on the wrong pair.
Yeah, I heard you earlier.
But if the dollar pulls back now, this is actually working just as fine as the Aussian trade would. I'm exit at 38%. And I'm not even put the Fibonacci on the whole move. Just a recent movement. Let's see who is the strongest. The dollar is going back up, but the Nikkei is pulling back. Let's see who has the power.
I got the power.
It looks like the dollar.
It's getting kind of heavy.
Oh, there's some good volatility coming in. Maybe I said I'd take profit. Just for once in my life. Oh yeah, there's a lot of volatility coming in. This can go bad really quickly. The VWAP also going back down.
Yeah, same with this pound Aussie. Could go bad real quickly too.
If the Nikkei continues down, this is gonna drop like a stone. Because the dollar is already on the way back up. Probably not gonna work. There's a lot of downwards momentum still.
Did you put a link up for your charts?
Ooh.
Oh no, you didn't. It's okay though. That's a tough one. The current leg is already at 38%.
That's not gonna work. Dollar is too strong. What's the dollar doing? Still bitching around.
So I'm gonna think.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna continue. Still fighting. What's the dollar doing? Not so good. Going back down, but ASEAN is still fighting. The dollar is going down. That's good. Come on. Oh shit. I forgot London session in 4 minutes. That was a bad idea. That was a bad idea. Come on, get me out of this trade before the bell. Now the dollar is going back up. New Zealand yen seems to doesn't give a shit. at all. Like what? Who cares? The dollar is picking up speed. 2 minutes.
So continuations or bounce? That's the question.
I trading the pullback, but it looks like the dollar has better ideas.
I'm getting a little bit of action on this pound Aussie.
Pound Aussie. Is that a thing?
Sterling Australian dollar.
That sounds very bogus.
You got a dirty mind.
Come on, move it. There we go. At least one thing is listening to me. Ah, come on, not one pip. Seriously? I just won a 38 from a partial move. This should be possible. Actually, my take profit is at 50% because there's a trend line, but I'm gonna get out manually on 38. If that even happens. Oh, Octo, these volume bars look really, really well.
Yeah, they look prettier than normal.
I mean, about visualizing the volume itself on Aussie USD, the drop, this is extremely clear.
Okay. Keep testing it and then remind me of that lots.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep them on. The indicator is a little bit shitty because I cannot really zoom. If I zoom in or out, they're gonna look really bad.
So you're seeing some potential then in this new setup?
Yeah, the setup is the same. It's just that I have these volume bars now. But yes, there is potential for sure. This is a lot better than the volume bars below. A lot. Because the volume bars only show you ticks, and they're being built while they're being built. I mean, while the candle is being built. It's pretty much useless information. Ah, the Nikkei is going back down. I maybe better get out of this trade. I forgot about the session change now. This is gonna mess up my trade.
You know, I drink this coffee, man, and it is not helping. I'm getting sleepy as hell.
Cocaine. Trust me, after you have enough, you're gonna find patterns everywhere. I can guarantee you that. Ah, come on, then the guy's gonna drop. I have a feeling.
Dollar spike killed me.
Oh shit, yeah, the dollar is moving. Ah, I'm on a 10 tick chart on the indices or whatever. But it looks like there's some momentum.
How bad, Rob?
Yeah, this is gonna go bad. I mean, it was a good idea, but always be right.
It's already starting that Friday shit, man. I'm about to bounce out of these.
Yeah, and I'm very late into the market. I mean, if I look at this drop on AUDUSD, this was even a setup of mine. It broke down, and now we see the volume candles even better, and this makes it even more better. It makes a reverb reversal, and then it drops like a stone. And now I'm gonna go.
Okay, well, I'm still in, and it's coming back my way again. Sheesh, man. Make up your mind already.
Yeah, this is just support on the Nikkei. I was hoping it makes a pullback, but looks like it doesn't. AUDUSD is already almost on the way back down. Looks like Frankfurt has nothing much to say about this.
Not yet.
It's just pre-market anyway. Yeah, this looks very much like continuation. I was actually expecting this to consolidate like an hour or two and make me to 38% in the meanwhile, but it looks like it doesn't.
I was hoping they'd just jump right in and get right to it. It's like the route is on, man. Let's jump in and participate.
Yeah, I know. But I could reverse now. Ah, the Nikkei is picking up some speed, but not really much. Yeah, this is gonna go bad. The dollar is definitely stronger.
There you go, pop,
Yeah,
sucker.
Yeah, the dollar is moving. The Nikkei is moving too. That's a good fight.
Yeah, the Nikkei's destroying is wrecking my curve here.
Yeah. Should make a smaller time frame here. It's like 5 minutes. Just for now. Usually I have the indices at 10.
I think I'm gonna hold, and here comes this dollar Swiss trying to come back on me. Trying to come back like Return of the Jedi, man. I would really like for that to fill right now. That'd be nice.
Yeah, it's a dollar. This was just a pullback. But on the 5 minute, the dollar is still sloping down, so it looks like it's making a very nice wedge. No, flag. If it drops down now, it's gonna make a flag. And that maybe helps me to the 38%. Maybe.
Damn this yen.
But the Nikkei also making a flag, so this can go bad really fast.
Germany's bond yields are falling.
They're worthless anyway. You have to pay to hold them. The dollar is going back up. That's not good. And the Nikkei is gonna going back down. It's below the support line now, but it's just what, like 1 point.
Yeah, that thing's been crashing hard.
That means nothing now. But if it's gonna, yeah, I agree. If it's gonna go, it will go. And there's a lot of room. I better reverse. Yeah, VWAP is going back down. Time to reverse. Yeah, dollar is on the move.
Yep, sure is.
I'm reversing and shorting Aussie USD, sorry.
That's more like it.
$81,033 for Aussie yen, maybe. Oh, that looks good.
$80.983 if I was trading that on the 4-hourly.
But why I have an update warning for my indicator? Oh, that's not so far, actually. I better get a target from the same time frame. Can't find one. The dollar made a higher high, but the Nikkei didn't break out yet. Oh, I cannot find a target.
The Aussie yen previous lows at 80.70 and 86.30.
Basically everything is up. Oh, there's one. That looks good. Pulling back again. Ah, it's the Nikkei. I'm gonna take a horizontal target on AUDUSD and a low from June.
No, surely not.
I cannot find anything better. Oh, this is very close.
And I'm closing half on this pound Aussie. There's 20.
I'm closing all. I'm closing all. What the hell? My cat stormed to the door.
The cat's got an attitude.
Oh no, this is my ringtone. The cat here.
Alright.
She ran to the cat door like there's no tomorrow. Alright, oh come on, now this piece of shit is dropping like a stone. Unbelievable. Even the Nikkei is going back up. My swingfish helper has some problems too. There's my target on AUDUSD.
Bam! 33.
Holy
35.
shit. Why I am such an idiot. Why did I exit? Why the hell did I exit? That would be a 10% trade right here. There's my target on ASEAN. Oh my god.
That was nice, man. Quick 40.
Yeah, but I did exit because the Nikkei is going back up. Yeah, but I was 2.1% in how long did I? 39 minutes.
Well, you know what? The Sterling Aussie already just hit the ATR projection up, man. It's a 75.06. So, you know what? I'll take it.
Yeah, I take it too. ASEAN just went right into my target, and AUDUSD as well. And the Nikkei is still going up, so this can be just a fake. But looking at the VWAP, it doesn't look like fake at all.
Well, now I'm still looking at, I'm watching that dollar Swissy, hoping for a buy trigger here. Ticket's already filled out. I'm just waiting.
Why did I exit early? Damn it.
Ah, it's gonna go higher, watch.
Yeah, it's gonna go. The dollar is moving like crazy.
Boom, there it went. You know, I can't even be mad at this point, man.
Damn, that would make massive.
Oh my god.
I mean, I was short on ASEAN with like how much was that? 1.9 million. That would, oh my god, that would be
Octo,
huge.
are you watching? Do you see this one I just got out of?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're all going crazy at the moment. Yen pairs, pound Aussie, just craziness.
And this freaking, I need to look around, man.
Is it still going?
The dollar index is pushing up still.
Criminy, man. Why did I not hold that Aussie dollar short?
Yeah, why I didn't hold it. I didn't even hold it to my target. I
I'll
saw
tell you what, next week, man,
I saw that the Nikkei is going up and I just hit close all. That was so
Now, I tell you
stupid.
what, this market owes me some money.
We're gonna get it back. Revenge on Monday.
Yeah, that's what I said. Next week, man. Oh, wait, man. Oh, wow. Look what else just popped. I'm gonna buy that. Hold on. Euro Aussie, I'm thinking.
You tell me you go to the suicide park. You tell me you go to the suicide park. You tell me you go to
Nah, you know what? I'm gonna leave that alone.
you tell me
Yeah, that's just FOMO. Just the Nikkei is still going up, and the dollar is about to pull back. So it looks like this could be a fake. Actually, it's a big fake, but it still can be.
Look how much the pound dollar just fell.
Okay, 22, 23 pips would be a huge fake. Pound dollar.
And you know what? I figured maybe there's another 9 minutes before I'm done, and then that Friday action starts. Damn, it's going. It's gonna go without me.
I will keep you in my heart.
Holy shit, that would be a 10% rate right there. I was short with 1.9 million.
Oh my goodness, look at all those pips there.
Okay, dollar yen at VWAP.
This dollar Swiss is failing again.
They know something we don't.
They must know I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting.
Swingfish, would you consider the dollar yen at VWAP now as an opportunity or not?
The dollar yen?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's pulling back hard. This was a fake, yeah. Okay, dollar yen. I was planning to buy the dollar yen.
I think it's dangerous based on the dollar pull back.
Yeah, but I wanted to buy it here on the first reverb retest already. Yeah, this looks like a good buy. Because the Nikkei is pulling back. It's still pulling back. That's why this drop on the Aussie dollar is very artificial. That's why I went out so early too. This looks pretty good. I was about to buy it, the first reverb touch it had. I had this chart open just to the next top. This trade will be done in 2 candles. 11 pips.
Wow.
Maybe I'm buying it.
Oh, I don't want to mess you up because we have had a sudden move on the dollar index, so it could easily go wrong compared to the usual setups, I guess.
I'm looking at it. It dropped pretty hard. And the volume candles, they show no red candle, just yellow ones. No balls. I should hit it or don't. Shit. I didn't buy it.
Good.
But I want to. It's 3 tests now. It's like basically begging, just press the damn button. Oh yeah, fuck you. Look at that. I just said it and it shoots up. You see the volume bars? Then they're not red, they're just yellow. And then it dropped down with a green one.
There's some unusual moves going on.
Ah shit, now I'm angry. I didn't Ah fuck it, I made 2% in 30 minutes, so why gamble? But it looks good.
A lot of the other pairs are retracing, so risky one.
I think I'm gonna change the indicator to have this green candles being yellow as well. I guess that's less confusing. What do you think?
I am still confused by the whole idea of volume bars.
Yeah, me too. That's I try to defuse it. I mean, the red one and the light green ones, they are pretty clear. The white ones and the yellow ones are also clear, but the green ones are kind of strange. But basically, they mean the same. And if there is no climax, then they can go both ways anyway. So why have different colors? Like here's a good example. Do you see the live stream?
Yeah.
Yep.
It's a good example. There's a green one. I mean, there's a gray one. No, these have no meaning, and a green one, and then 2 yellow ones. There's just no way to figure them out. And here on the pullback is the same. Yeah, they're the green ones and no volume. Another green one, and then the yellow one. This is supposed to be a red one anyway. So we could actually expect this drop because this were not red. If they were red, then just all in. Because a red one went up, continuation, and then the retest happened.
My concern is that you're looking at charts every day and getting bored. So I'm hoping that this is going to be a useful tool, but concerned what impact it might have.
I'm not trading based on them yet, I just look at it. I'm still trading my strategy. And I personally have a problem with colored candles anyway. Oh, did you see the price line just now?
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tests. Seriously? This thing really wants to go up. This is because the Nikkei is still pulling back. and the dollar is going down. And we have a green candle here, so based on this ideology, religion, whatever, this is supposed to be a buy. Here it isn't because it's continuation.
Yeah, I'm still confused by the churning idea. And yeah.
Yeah, I think the churning stuff is a bit confusing. I maybe reprogram it and remove the gray candles totally, because they have no meaning anyway. It's no point having them at all. Make the green candles also yellow.
I could never keep it straight when I was trying to use the colored candles. What meant what with the VSA, and then with the I had some other candles, man. It just,
yeah, we're just in the process on simplifying that. That's basically the mission right now.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I don't trade them, I just have them. My usual candles look like this. They have all the same color, because colors make you play with your psychology. And the volume candle idea is that they play with your psychology the right way. That's why the momentum candles are actually red. So you're not getting the idea of catching the knife.
Okay, I see why. Okay.
And you see what happens here. This is a high momentum candle, the green one going down, and it reverses right back. That is basically the idea what's behind it. So the indicator is originally from TradeStation, I think. I'm not so sure. Or Ninja, I'm not so sure. It's supposed to detect the end of trends. But intraday, this has a completely different application.
What platform is that you're trading on?
I use CTrader.
Oh, okay.
And I strictly trade VWAP based, so the yellow line is my only indicator I really use.
Yeah, that I already gathered that.
So before I fucked up with the Aussie USD, I actually wanted to buy here and exit here. Like this is how I trade. Just make a trend line from here, here, and my trade will be from the VWAP to this top. That's it. But you see the potential, it's 11.6 pips and the drawdown is 0.
It's damn good.
So you have like a 1 pip stop at a situation like that, because there's high volume, and it just goes straight to the next support or resistance, and you just take the profit there. And that's why we're just testing these volume candles. Of course, they have a completely different application. It's not what they're supposed to do. I mean, they're not displaying what they're supposed to display. But intraday, they have quite some value. Yeah. Okay, the next one would. I have no target for this trade. Let's just find a target quickly before it reaches. All right. Oh, that will be the next trade. It will be a larger stop because there is a lot of momentum, but just trade to the next resistance. It will be better. I like this now. Just for the sake of the example. This is actually a good example because the dollar is going down. This is US dollar yen. So I guess the Aussie yen is already... Yeah, the Aussie yen moved already. Yeah, this was a fake. A 50 pip fake. Okay, 49. Yeah, sure, US dollar yen has a harder time going up because the dollar is going down.
Back soon.
Did you buy Aussie, US dollar yen, Otto? Swiss is still down. Unbelievable. This trend line was my target. There we go, take profit. $16 pips with 1.6 pip drawdown. 1 to 10 trade. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 3-minute candles.
Hello.
Oh, you're back. See US dollar yen?
Yeah, I'm on that.
Made my target. 1 to 10 trade. 1.6 pip drawdown. 16 pips. That was
Excellent.
a nice one. Something is really wrong with my computer here. It takes forever to load the indicators, and if I start my bot, it's take like 30 seconds until I see something. Something is.
We can take a look at the weekend if you want. I'll show you some good things to make it run sweet.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do, yeah. Did you take the US yen trade?
Yeah. I'm on a higher time frame, so I've got a,
Are you still in?
35 pip stop loss with high hopes for it really moving.
Oh, I see. For intraday, I would be out now already. Just take the next resistance. Now it shows there's an update warning. Maybe the C trader cannot connect to my website, which is strange.
But good to know your target, because I also took it on the demo account on C Trader with the VWAP in mind. And I can see the diagonal line above the highs that I should have set as my target now.
Yeah, that's what I basically do. Just to the next target, wherever it is.
Beautiful.
It's just because high volatility.
Learning some good stuff. Wow, that really was like a 2-pip stop loss for me, and 13 pips just hitting the button then to close it, but would have been 20. Wow. Very cool. That is a Windows service. Superfetch.
A real one? Sounds bogus. Let's Google it. Oh, this is really a Windows service.
Yeah, I seem to remember. Unless it's to do with USB caching, maybe.
Yeah, and this doesn't look like a. Sounds like a Windows-ish name.
We'll get you using auto runs on the weekend. Turn off that Cortana bullshit.
This is something I really, yeah, no, nobody needs that. Really, seriously, nobody.
looking for your startup keys. Nice. Is it Windows NT next? Current version.
It still says update available. It's not possible.
What's that?
My indicator says there is an update. That's actually wrong.
All mine do at the moment, but I just haven't discussed it with you.
If I put the check URL.
Does it need to be HTTPS? Not.
No, it works in both. I have an exclusion for that. Yeah, it's just this file is being automatically created by the web server, and it just prints the version number of the current version.
Okay, I'm not familiar with the inner workings there.
Yeah, it's just downloading this file and compares the output with the current version.
Remote version.
Yeah, the number is there. But the indicator says update available, but it shows no data, no update. Like the version number is missing. Do you have this indicator too on your C-Trader?
I've got the VWAP indicator, but not the helper, and that's showing update available currently.
Yeah, this is a local problem for sure, because if I can open the URL in the browser and it works just fine. But I should remove that. If there is no response from the web server, then just don't.
Okay, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for me, man. I'm sitting here falling asleep. I'm gonna call it a night. I'll see you guys next week.
All right.
Excellent. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, that was a good end in the week. A good week ending.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad at all. Okay, guys, good trades to you.
All right, have a
You
good
too.
weekend.
Good night. Why are you only getting that
This IP
update
config is
message?
still a thing. Right,
Sorry, carry on.
Is IP config still a thing in Windows 10?
Yes. ipconfig, yeah, /all from the command line.
Holy shit, that takes forever.
Hello, Chris. Love you, baby. Back leo na. Hello, Chris. Love you, baby. Back leo na. Back leo na. Back leo na. Back leo na. Back leo na.
Are you looking for things that might be in startup? LM hosts. Yeah, open with. And then note
Yeah,
that.
but I have to open a site, man. Whatever. Oh, there is the IP already.
Are you thinking it might be IPv6 that's causing the problem?
Yeah, but I have already a host entry for the domain. Yeah, I cannot save it. How to do that?
You are going to need to click on the start button. I guess type in Explorer and then right click on Explorer and run as admin to even edit it. And that will work as well.
Like we have nothing better to do. Oh, Xing Yen looks like a very nice VWAP reversal now, to the south.
You sure you're not thinking Asia session?
Yeah, that's maybe a problem.
I'm wondering about New Zealand, US, from a VWAP angle and things.
This is take forever. There is something really wrong. Oh, this is so disappointing.
Sent you a direct message with the tool that I use on Windows 10 to find all the stuff that's running in the background I don't need. Just be careful with it. No turning off things you're not sure about.
Oh, that looks cute. Ah, that's not from Microsoft.
Yes, it is.
No, sysinternals.com.
Microsoft bought sysinternals.
Ah, I see. Yeah, everything that's good from Microsoft is bought. colors mean?
Red means it's in use at the moment. Probably best not to touch it. Yellow is file not found, so it's a registry entry that's missing.
Oh yeah, cause I linger, don't use it anymore.
So everything
Context
from
handlers.
bloody Dropbox. Yeah.
That's a nice little application.
It's the best for making your Windows run sweetly and see all the rubbish that's going on in the background.
I never print on this computer anyway. Encryptor, that's the program. This is really good if you want to hide stuff. I mean, keep files on a public place, but encrypt them.
Never heard of it. Okay.
It's not, oh it is, yeah, it's transportable.